Welcome to my channel An Easy Step to English Grammar. And today's topic of discussion is grammar from our Runaway KITE Madhyamik syllabus of West Bengal Madhyamik Board. However, Runaway KITE is a very interesting story of reuniting all the members of the family. That doesn't matter, and my matter is to discuss the grammatical items. I have picked up 7 items, most important items for this year, that is 2024 Madhyamik exam. And my first example is, when the harbor is frozen over, we all move over to mainland. And it has been asked to turn the sentence into a simple sentence because it is a complex sentence and adverb clause of time. As the subjects are different, that is the harbor and we, two different subjects, you are at liberty to use absolute phrase to convert the sentence into a simple sentence. The harbor being frozen over, or the harbor having been frozen over, we all move over to the mainland. That is the solution. And my second item is, as soon as spring comes back, we sail to our own dear land. When there is as soon as, and you are asked to turn into a negative sentence, you must use no sooner and then. It is in the present form, so you will have to write, no sooner does spring come. No sooner does spring come than back we sail to our own dear island. Clear? Now my third item. Father didn't seem to have any relations except us. Turn into a complex sentence. So, you will have to use complex sentence. It seemed that, remember and follow me, it seemed that father did not have any relations except us. Again I am repeating, it seemed that father did not have any relations except us. It seemed principal clause, and that father did not have any relation, subordinate noun clause, and object to the verb seemed. Now my fourth item is, it is always so lovely on the big half moon, and you have been asked to turn into a negative sentence. So the opposite word of always is never. So it is never ugly, or never dull, or never monotonous on the big half moon. Use never for always and the opposite word of lovely. It is never ugly or dull or monotonous on the big half moon. Now come to the fifth item. We had a kite that was big and covered with lovely red paper, and you have been asked to turn into a simple sentence. So it is very easy. We had a big kite covered with lovely red paper. Here covered means which was covered, and you have turned it from a relative clause to participial phrase, and it is an example of simple sentence. Again I am repeating. We had a big kite covered with lovely red paper. Now come to the sixth example. I tripped and fell over the rocks. Please follow that here the subject is the same person, that is I. I tripped and I fell over the rocks. So having tripped or tripping, either having tripped or tripping, comma, I fell over the rocks. Simple sentence. There is only one finite verb, that is fell. Now come to the seventh example. We rushed into the lighthouse to get some paper. Complex sentence. It is in the infinitive form. So it is very easy. We rushed into the lighthouse. We rushed into the lighthouse so that we might get some paper. Adverb clause of purpose. Adverb clause of purpose. We rushed into the lighthouse so that we might get some paper. So that's the end of my grammatical items from Runaway Kite. And these are the 7 most important grammatical items for Madhyamik examination 2024. So my dear students, my dear boys and girls, please subscribe my channel. Please like, comment and share so that I may appear before you with more grammatical items, and so that I may be encouraged and enthused. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanking all of you. Good night.